The next time you crumple up a sheet of paper and toss it into the trash, take a moment to think about what you're throwing away. Today, paper feels so ordinary that we rarely give it a second thought. It's everywhere, in books, receipts, cardboard boxes, notebooks, newspapers, and even pizza boxes. But for much of human history, a single sheet of paper would have been far too valuable to waste. In fact, there was a time when simply having something to write on was a luxury. And strangely enough, this thin, fragile material helped reshape civilization not through force or power, but by making it possible for ideas to travel farther than ever before. That raises an interesting question. How did paper evolve from a difficult and labor-intensive craft into one of the most common materials on Earth? More importantly, how did something so simple become one of the most important technologies in human history? Most of us assume paper has always been cheap and widely available. We treat it almost like running water, something that simply appears whenever we need it. Because it is so inexpensive today, it's easy to imagine that it has always been that way. But the reality is very different. Throughout most of history, recording information was far more difficult than writing itself. People could think, speak, and teach, but preserving knowledge required a physical surface. And if that surface was rare, expensive, or difficult to produce, the spread of knowledge slowed dramatically. Long before modern paper mills existed, civilizations experimented with different materials for recording information. In ancient Egypt, people created writing surfaces from the papyrus plant. Thin strips of the plant were arranged in layers, pressed together, and dried into sheets. The process was somewhat like weaving a mat from plant fibers, creating a surface that could hold written words. Around the same time, innovators in ancient China were developing other approaches using materials such as mulberry bark and hemp fibers. These early inventions were not exactly the same as modern paper, but they represented humanity's first attempts to solve a growing problem: how to create a lightweight, practical medium for storing information. The challenge was that producing these materials was slow and labor-intensive. As societies became larger and more complex, the demand for written records grew rapidly. Governments needed laws and tax records. Merchants needed contracts and inventories. Scholars needed books and manuscripts. Letters had to travel between cities and kingdoms. Humanity was creating more information than ever before. Yet the supply of writing materials struggled to keep pace. In many ways, the true obstacle in the story of paper was not technology itself, but the growing gap between humanity's need to record knowledge and its ability to produce the materials required to preserve it. During the Middle Ages, this problem became especially apparent. Books were incredibly expensive, and copying them required enormous amounts of labor. In monasteries across Europe, scribes spent countless hours hand-copying manuscripts one page at a time. Imagine a library where every single book had to be recreated by hand whenever someone wanted another copy. Producing knowledge was not simply a matter of printing a new edition. It required human effort measured in weeks, months, or even years. The situation was made even more challenging because paper was not always the primary writing material. Many important texts were recorded on parchment, which was made from animal skins. Parchment was durable and effective, but it was also expensive and limited by the availability of livestock. As a result, knowledge often moved slowly. Books were treasured possessions, literacy remained relatively rare, and access to information was restricted to a small portion of society. Everything began to change during the Renaissance. One of the most important developments was the introduction of water-powered paper mills. Instead of relying entirely on human labor, manufacturers could harness the energy of flowing rivers to process fibers and produce paper more efficiently. For the first time, Nature itself was helping to meet the growing demand for information. Production increased, costs gradually decreased, and paper became more accessible to larger segments of society. As paper became easier to obtain, knowledge began to spread more freely. Literacy expanded, trade accelerated, scientific ideas circulated more rapidly, and cultural exchange became easier. The effects reached far beyond paper itself. By making written information more available, paper helped fuel many of the intellectual and social transformations that shaped the modern world. Yet even water-powered mills had limits. The next major leap arrived with the Industrial Revolution. Steam-powered machinery dramatically increased production capacity and transformed paper manufacturing into a true large-scale industry. Newspapers, books, magazines, business records, and educational materials could now be produced in quantities that would have been unimaginable only a few centuries earlier. Information was no longer confined to elites, scholars, or religious institutions. It was becoming accessible to ordinary people on a scale never before seen in human history. Today, the paper industry continues to evolve. Modern manufacturers rely heavily on wood pulp sourced from managed forests, as well as recycled fibers recovered from previously used paper products. At the same time, environmental concerns have encouraged new efforts to improve sustainability, reduce waste, and conserve energy throughout the production process. The story of paper is no longer just about making more of it. It is also about finding better ways to produce it responsibly. What makes this especially interesting is that even in an age dominated by computers, smartphones, and digital communication, traditional paper has not disappeared. In fact, handmade paper continues to survive as both a craft and an art form. For many people, paper is more than simply a surface for words. It carries texture, character, and a sense of human craftsmanship that machines cannot fully replicate. In that sense, paper occupies a unique place in modern life, existing simultaneously as a technology, an industry, an art form, and a piece of living history. The next time you hold a receipt, open a book, read a menu, or unfold a simple piece of paper, remember that you are holding the result of thousands of years of experimentation, innovation, and human effort. What appears to be nothing more than a flat surface for writing is actually one of the most important inventions ever created. It allowed ideas to survive beyond the lifetimes of the people who first imagined them, helping knowledge travel across generations, across borders, and eventually across the world. If there's another everyday object whose hidden history you'd like to explore, let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering the surprising stories behind ordinary things, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next one.